Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets, and first you draw A, and here is blue color. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bus. C for cat, C for cow. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. It's neither H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and here is yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. It's again use yellow color and draw L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, night O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use red color. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quill. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, again use red color and draw S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for ankle. It's neither V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V, and U is green color. W for wallet, W for watch. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.